Hello kids, I'm back with another lesson and today we're gonna revise the short vowel hand. Say hello to short vowel hands. So there are 5 vowels, okay? Can you name them? A, E, I, O, A. A, E, I, O, A. These are 5 vowels. Now we will revise our groups. So group 1 says 6 letters. So today we're gonna cover each and every letter with their sound. Okay. First letter says S, S, S. Second, A, T, T, T. I, I. Okay. Group 2 says K, 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 K. Eh, eh, eh. H, H, H. R. D, D, D. D, D, D. Group 3. G, G, G. O, O, O. A, L, L. And last one, B. Okay, so these are the 3 groups which we have revised. Okay. Bye. Happy learning.